Okay, this is Brenda from Sure Start and this is Leah. And
this is Finn. And I am Judith from Beachmount Sure Start.
And our idea is we're going to pack our picnic basket and we're going on a teddy bears picnic. And Leah and Finn are coming along with us. So I'm going to begin by doing a tuna and onion sandwich. I prepared the tuna earlier. Some people take butter on their bread, some people take mayonnaise, whatever you like. Some people don't like either or, but whatever you fancy. I just prefer butter, so I'm going to butter the sandwich.
Good job.
And this is not the way I normally butter it. I'm trying to be healthy because if this is a Sure Start video, I normally put loads on. So this is just tuna and onion, get into our bread. Make a nice sandwich for our picnic.
Lovely tuna.
Okay, so I'm just going to spread this out. Tuna's my favourite topping. Judith, what's your favourite topping?
My favourite is tuna and tomato.
Tuna and tomato?
Tuna and tomato.
But anybody can choose whatever filling they like for their own wee picnic. It's just this is a preference from myself and Judith.
Ham or cheese or
whatever.
Anything you want.
So I'm just going to put our sandwich in tin foil to keep it fresh. And guys, just remember, myself and Judith have washed our hands before we started. We should have mentioned that at the
All
start.
the germs are off your hands before you touch anything.
So that's our wee sandwich. I'm going to pack in our picnic basket. And Judith's going to pack another few things.
So now we have our lovely sweet corn that we cooked this morning and let cool down. And we're going to put it in because it's yummy in your tummy. And that's going in. And then we have a lovely banana and an apple and a kiwi.
Kiwi's my favourite.
And we have a tiny, tiny baby orange. And we have a funny shaped peach. But they're tasty and they're really sweet, but they're good for your body. And then we have a lovely little croissant. And we have some baked crisps, because they're nicer. But most importantly, what we brought was, we brought a tiny little jar of honey, just for the bear that we will find. And we really hope he's our best friend. And then you have to make sure you drink your water, especially when the sun is in the sky and he's big and large and warm. Have to drink your water. And then to keep it all nice and fresh, we're going to put our little top over our picnic. And we close the lid and we lock it so nothing falls out. Are you ready, Brenda?
Yes.
I am ready.
Going to have a picnic.
Help me carry it, my friend. Off we go.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, I'm Clara.
And I'm Colette.
And my mummy works in Clanmore Sure Start. We would like to sing a song called Teddy Bear's Picnic and would like you to join in. If you go down to the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you go down to the woods today, you better go in disguise. For every bear that ever there was will gather there for certain, because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. Picnic time for teddy bears. The little teddy bears are having a lovely time today. Watch them, catch them unawares, and see them picnic on their holidays. See them gaily gad about, they love to play and shout, they never have any cares. At 6 o'clock their mummies and daddies will take them home to bed, because they're tired little teddy bears. has been good. It's sure of a treat today. There's lots of marvelous things to eat and wonderful games to play. Beneath the trees where nobody sees, they'll hide and seek as long as they please, 'cause that's the way the teddy bears have their picnic. Picnic time for teddy bears. The little teddy bears are having a lovely time today. Watch them, catch them unawares, and see them picnic on their holidays. See them gaily gad about. They love to play and shout, they never have any cares. At 6 o'clock their mommies and daddies will take them home to bed, because they're tired little teddy bears. Because they're tired little teddy bears. Bye!
Hello boys and girls. So my name is Ashley, and today it was a little bit wet outside, so I set up in my living room a lovely teddy bears picnic, and I invited some of my friends to come and have a little bit of a teddy bears picnic. So I have brought with me a tiger, an elephant, a little duck, a mouse, little monkeys, a little dog, and we all know who this is, Barney, yeah. So after we had all our lovely treats for our teddy bears picnic indoors, I have asked my little friends to come to do a little bit of sing, sign and rhyme. So I'm sure you boys and girls would know some songs that relate to the little friends that I have brought with me today. So for anybody that has listened to my stories and listening to my singing before, you would know that I ask you all to turn on your listening ears and to make sure that we're all listening very well, okay? So can we turn on our listening ears together, boys and girls? Are we all ready? Ready, steady, go. Shh. Well done. Brilliant. Well done. So I think we could think of a song about monkeys. Do you think you could think of one? I know a song about monkeys swinging on the tree. Do you know that song? I bet you do. Where do we see? There's our monkeys. Okay, and we'll do our actions to this song as well, all right? So we'll put monkey back up there. So we'll do 5 little monkeys swinging on the trees. Okay, ready? 5 little monkeys swinging on the tree. Teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! 4 little monkeys swinging on the tree. Teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! 3 little monkeys swinging on the tree. Teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! 2 little monkeys swinging on the tree. Teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! 1 little monkey swinging on the tree. Teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! No little monkey swinging on the tree, 'cause Mr. Crocodile ate them for his tea. He's an awful greedy crocodile, isn't he? Well done, everybody. So, we'll do another little song. What about a dog? Does anybody know a little song with a dog in it? I know one. I know one called How Much Is That Doggy? Will we do that? Are we ready? How much is that doggy in the window? Woof, woof. The one with the waggly tail. Woof, woof. How much is that doggy in the window? Woof, woof. I do hope that doggy's for sale. Woof, woof. Well done. So we'll move on. This is a little one. Some of you boys and girls may not know it, but it's one of my favourite songs, and it's about a tiger. And it's called I Am a Terrible Tiger. And with this one, I'm going to do some Makaton with it as well. So if you want to join in and try and copy my actions and my signs, please do, everybody. So we'll put him up there. Our tiger, okay? You ready? I am a terrible tiger with terrible tiger claws. I lie down here and go to sleep, my head between my paws. We're looking for a terrible tiger. We're on a tiger's trail. And when we find that tiger, we'll pull that tiger's tail. Roar! Well done. I hope you like that one. If you don't know it, you could practice maybe on that. So, next I have an elephant. He's got a big trunk. Where's all your big trunks, boys and girls? Let me see. Well done. So, who knows this one? An elephant goes like this and that. Are we all ready? Okay. An elephant goes like this and that. He's terribly big and he's terribly fat. He's got no fingers and he's got no toes. But goodness gracious, what a big nose. Well done, everybody.
Hello girls and boys, how you all keeping? Today, Emer and I are going to be making some yummy cookies! And who doesn't love a yummy cookie? We're going to go to Granny's back garden because we're having a teddy bear's picnic. And we're going to bring a lovely storybook about a teddy bear called Sam. This is Sam. Sam's mummy put him to bed and the wind was howling and blowing and Sam was very scared. So his mummy brought him his teddy bears and tried to settle him in every way that she possibly could. And do you know that the only thing that would help Sam was, what do you think, Emer? Cookies and milk. I bet everybody would settle if they had some cookies and milk. So I'm going to put Sam over here and we're going to make our lovely cookies. So first of all, we need 200 grams of butter melted in a bowl. And if we just stir it around, good girl Emer, you stir that around. And we need 1 cup of caster sugar, which is just here, and Emer's going to put this caster sugar in. Good girl Emer, you put the caster sugar in there. All of it, 1 cup of caster sugar. Great girl, good help. And if you give that a good mix, we'll set that. Wow, look at this, girls and boys. You give it a good mix. So the next thing we need to put in our mix is a teaspoonful of vanilla extract.
Wow, I think.
And it's just vanilla extract that we're using. The next thing that we need, girls and boys, is 2 cups of plain flour. So here is 1 cup that Emer is going to pour in. You pour that cup in, Emer. This cup. Great girl, you pour that cup in. Good girl. I can't wait to have a lovely yummy cookie. And we need another cup. Are you going to put this in for me, Emer? Great girl, and don't worry about messes because we can always clean the mess up. And if you give that a good mix, Emer, let's go, let's give it a good mix. The next ingredient we need is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So if we put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in, Emer. Great girl. Now you give that a good mix. We also need 1 pinch of salt. Put a pinch of salt in. There we go. And you give that a good mix until it comes to like a cookie dough. And once it comes to a cookie dough, you can add in your chopped chips, which we have here. Emer's been eating them already. So if we give this a good mix, well done, Emer. Well done. A big hard mix. I'll help you out here. Look at this, girls and boys. Can you see that mix? So if we just try and get into it, cookie dough, you can see that it'll start to go like a cookie dough. And we are going to pour our chopped chip cookies in next. Oh, this is Emer's favourite day. Will we pour these in? And if you can't get chopped chips, what we did was got a bar of chocolate and we chopped it up into little bits. But pour the rest in. Good girl. Pour the rest in.
I don't want to.
No, you don't want to, but we'll have to for our yummy, yummy cookies. Great girl. Well done.
Yeah,
See that?
that's right.
What happened? So if we just mix this around like this and get all our little chocolate into the dough, this is going to be absolutely delicious. I can't wait to go to Granny's and get some cookies. Can you? So the next thing we need to do once we've done that is crack an egg in the cup. And Emer loves cracking eggs, hey? Good girl, well done. And don't worry if there's any eggshell, we can get that out. So if you pour, if we get this spoon and just give it a little stir and pour it into our cookie dough. Good girl, Emer. We need to pour that into our cookie dough. Come on. Good girl. Well done. Well done. Brilliant girl. Emer is a great helper. She's a great helper at eating the cookies as well, aren't you, Emer? Do you love my cookies? Mm-hmm. I bet everybody will love these cookies. It's so easy to make. So we need to swirl this around and swirl it around until we get our cookie dough just right. Get the egg all in there. It's hard work. Oh. There we go. So what we need now is our tray. So on our baking tray, we would need to put greaseproof paper down on our baking tray. So if I set the cookie dough here,
We have to rule it.
right, just put it round and round and round and round. If we just get a little bit of,
Yay.
this is how we just roll it in like a ball and then flatten it out on your hands like this.
It's okay to get sticky.
Yes, it's okay to get sticky, of course it is. And if we just, you flatten that down, Emer. Great girl. And if we just, it usually makes around 15 to 20 cookies. So you'll have lots and lots of cookies. And you can bring your cookies to your grannies too. Let's see. Do you think Granny will be happy with these cookies, Emer? I think you'll be happy with these cookies. I know I'll be happy with these cookies. So, we put these ones on first. And mummies, you put it in at 180 for 15 to 20 minutes. If you just keep checking them, now they might feel a bit soft when you're cooking them, but that's normal. Even if you take them out, they still feel soft, but when they're out and they cool down, they'll go a bit dry. So there's our lovely cookies that we're going to put into the oven. And I hope you enjoy your cookies as much as we're going to enjoy our cookies. Isn't that right, Emer?
Yeah.
High five. I hope to see you soon, girls and boys. See you later. Bye.
Hi, I'm Siobhan from CLR Sure Start. We hope you enjoyed today's activities on Facebook. CLR Sure Start is based at the top of the White Rock. If you're currently pregnant or have a child not to 4 and living in the Upper Springfield, White Rock or Falls Park wards, you can get registered with Sure Start. Send us a PM or contact us at by calling the Sure Start office on 02890 324 870. We hope that you tune in for more activities that will be on the page.